The Rapid URL Indexer Google Sheets add-on makes it easy to submit URLs for indexing directly from Google Sheets. This is perfect for SEO agencies and individuals who want to integrate Rapid URL Indexer into their existing workflows that involve Google Sheets. After installing the add-on, a new menu item named Rapid URL Indexer will appear in Google Sheets. To use the add-on, you will need to grant some permissions. After you have granted the required permissions, you will need to set your Rapid URL Indexer API key in the Settings item. After that, you're ready to go. Simply select one or more cells containing the URLs you want to submit for indexing, click the Rapid URL Indexer menu item, and select Submit to Rapid URL Indexer. This will submit the selected URLs to Rapid URL Indexer, and you will receive a confirmation showing the number of URLs submitted. You can find the submitted projects on your My Projects page on rapidurlindexer.com, named after the title of your spreadsheet and the individual sheet within the spreadsheet.